Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to print USPS shipping labels and generate USPS scan forms from WooCommerce. The ELEX WooCommerce USPS shipping plugin helps you display real-time USPS shipping rates at checkout, automatically package products, print USPS shipping labels directly from WooCommerce, generate USPS scan forms, track shipments, support both domestic and international shipping. Once connected successfully, the plugin can retrieve live shipping rates and generate shipping labels directly through the new USPS APIs. Next, configure your shipping preferences. Choose your shipping origin, enable domestic and international services, select the USPS services you want to offer, configure handling charges if required, set package weight units, enable rate estimation. You can choose from different packing methods depending on your business needs. Simply choose the packaging method that best matches your products. Let's test the checkout. Add a product to the cart. Proceed to checkout. The plugin automatically contacts USPS API 3.0 and displays real-time shipping rates based on package weight, dimensions, customer address, selected USPS services. Your customers always receive accurate shipping costs. Now let's process an order. Open a WooCommerce order. Using the plugin, generate a USPS shipping label directly from the order page. One of the major improvements is that label generation now works through USPS API 3.0 for supported USPS accounts. Once the label is generated, simply download and print it. No need to manually enter shipment information on the USPS website. If you ship multiple orders, generate a USPS scan form to combine them into a single barcode for quicker USPS processing. This saves time and simplifies your shipping workflow. Once a label is generated, tracking information is automatically added to the WooCommerce order and shared with customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions.